Right, wing coverings. So this is soft touch liner from Spotlight in Australia. So it's a 58 grams per metre, 100% polyester fabric for lining of dresses, suits, etc. I've used Mod Podge to adhere it around the perimeter and around things like the servo holes, and it'll be around the spoilers as well. I've already put it on the surface below the spoiler. Now none of this has been heat shrunk yet. All I've done is tack it around the perimeter on both panels, so you can see there is some tightening to do. But what I'll do now is, this is something else I wanted to point out. So this is a K13, an ASK-13, 25%. So if you have a look at the profile, you can see it's sort of, it's got a little span here of, I'm going to call it a fillet. So it gets thicker from about this point. So that leaves like a step in the skin on both sides. So to cover that in one piece, that's a valley, and it's also has, in the old vernacular, an undercamber. So I've put Mod Podge on all the rib caps, but first what I'll do is pull it tight with the heat gun, and then I'll go over with the iron and put the skin, the covering down onto the rib caps, and then start doping. So we'll see how we go with that. Got my trusty heat gun here. Let's see if we can watch the magic happen, or burn a hole in it, one of the two. So I've already used an iron to press this in through here and press the skin down. So all of that was covered with Mod Podge, including this area here, because that's part of the undercamber, and that's all been ironed down. So let's see what happens with the heat gun. Go over all of it. There's a little wrinkle just there. Let's see how that goes. I think you get the idea. Put a little wrinkle in there. Let's see how that comes out. Very nice. So we'll go over the wings, both sides of the wings. Pull it tight with heat as much as it'll go, and then 2 or 3 coats of dope, with the final coat having some talcum powder in it to attempt to start sealing the weave. Yeah, but other than that, it's all worked out. Oh, highly recommend, if you're going to go down this road with the polyester, and because it's such a light fabric, I highly recommend getting yourself some this is 2 mil pinking shears. So that puts, let's see, we're going to put fabric on the back here. Here we go. You can see it's not easy to cut, but it's not that difficult either. But what it does is it just stops the fraying, so you don't get individual strands going everywhere, which can be problematic. I started doing one side of the wing, must have been this one, without it. Yeah, the top side there, and it's just, it was just messy and yuck. And not that the bottom side looks a lot better, but, well, actually, yeah, it does. In fact, that looks terrible, but it, the video's not doing it any favors either. because of the fairing up against the fuselage, but even comparing that to this side, it's the pinking shears just make it so much tidier. So that was something I can pass on. The Mod Podge has been just so good. Really happy with it. And when in doubt, just put some more on. It's not like it's hard to find. And this bottle, this bottle is already open, and I've done everything on the plane so far, and I'm still, yeah, 40% of the bottle there. 40, yeah, maybe 35-ish, but more than a third anyway. So, what else? Oh, what did I do with them? Some lightweight glass and resin on the ailerons. So I can dress them up. And they'll fit in here with some Robart hinges. And that'll work well. Anyway, that'll do it. Over and out.